Alright guys, so today we're in this pretty cool gun shop and we're looking for a nice pistol. I'm looking for a 22 long rifle pistol, and that's what I'm going to be looking for today in the shop. But I'm just checking out all these cool animals, all these taxidermized animals here. It's crazy. So here I'm getting a better look at the pistols. I come across some nice 22 pistols here, and out of all of them I'm checking out right now, I like this one the best, the GSG Firefly. But I still want to give you guys a better look at all the guns here. That's the one I like, but let's look at the other prices and the other pistols around. That one looks pretty cool too, with the gold trigger. They got some 1911s here, man. I like these too. It's a 22 long rifle, 1911. This is a 380 here, nice. I got a bunch of cool guns here. Alright guys, so I'm back home now with the new GSG Firefly pistol, 22 long rifle. Very excited to do the review on it. Let's check it out. It's a nice semi-automatic pistol. It comes with a nice sticker here, the instruction manual, and even a bunch of extra parts like a spring and some sights and some tools. And here we have a first look of the gun. I'm going to show you how to take the gun apart. First off, what you want to do is move this all the way around. After that, pull it back, bring it up, and that's how you take the gun apart. Now to put the gun back together, you want to put the spring right here, and you want to put the spring right in there, right in that little hole. And just line everything up really good. What you did, you bring this all the way back around and you're ready. I want to show you the safety features on it. So first off, it's on safety now. To have it ready to fire, you push it up and you're ready to fire. Also, it will not shoot if the magazine's not in. When the magazine is inside, it will shoot. Has some very nice green sights that are very good at aiming. And when you're shooting this thing, man, you're gonna be shooting things super good, aiming right on center. You're gonna get every target you want because the size of this gun, it's great. It's a very good size, so you're not gonna get a lot of kickback, and it's gonna let you aim super good. Trust me, you're not gonna miss a target, and I'll prove it to you. So let's go to the gun range. Let's take it. Come on, guys. They close pretty soon. Ten rounds in the magazine. Took it off safety. Alright guys, let's check out the results. And man, look at that, very nice and accurate. That's a nice grouping, right on target. And overall, I think this is a great beginner pistol. 22, it's a good size, accurate, and I really recommend it. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.